Oh, you like them? You like them, Mimi? They're sparkly. Do you think Daddy needs to buy Mama some more shoes? Does Daddy need to get me some more? Huh? You want some like it? You like them? Are they pretty? Oh, yeah. You want some? Yeah. You want some shoes? Oh. You want me to take them off? You want them? You're welcome. You want the other one? Okay. You want them?